The Oral-B iO Series 2 toothbrush ensures a thorough clean with its advanced micro-vibrations and round brush head, which are designed to remove significantly more plaque than manual toothbrushes. This toothbrush offers a user-friendly experience with its single-touch button operation and quiet performance, making it an ideal choice for those new to electric toothbrushes. Equipped with an automatic gum pressure sensor, the Oral-B iO Series 2 toothbrush helps protect your gums by adjusting speed and alerting you when excessive pressure is applied. With 3 distinct cleaning modes, users can easily select the one that best suits their needs, whether it be super sensitive, gentle, or daily clean. The built-in 2-minute timer encourages you to brush for the dentist-recommended duration, providing reminders every 30 seconds to switch brushing zones. Oral-B's iO Series 2 toothbrush combines cutting-edge technology with simplicity, offering a superior cleaning experience that leaves your mouth feeling as if you just left the dentist.